99% of people don't know about this. Did you know that traditional surveillance cameras alone cannot truly protect factories, commercial buildings, or schools? Whether it's fire hazards, unauthorized intrusions, or security threats, missing just a few seconds could mean losses worth millions. But today, we're unveiling a game-changing solution, A372 and A372 PXAI-4MP thermal and optical bispectrum camera, a smarter, more cost-effective alternative to Axis, with 30 to 50% savings and more powerful features. Thermal imaging precision, prevent disasters before they happen. Imagine this, your factory's production line machinery starts overheating, but no one notices. Within minutes, a fire could engulf the entire facility. With A372 and A372PX, featuring 96H/X72V thermal resolution and an industry-leading NETD 55MK, it detects even the slightest 0.055 degrees Celsius temperature change, providing instant alerts to prevent disasters. And in commercial buildings or schools, this technology identifies electrical malfunctions before they turn into fires, ensuring the safety of employees and students. AI-powered surveillance, 24/7 protection, zero blind spots. Worried about equipment tampering in factories? Late-night break-ins at office buildings? Or strangers trespassing on school grounds? A372 and A372PX is equipped with deep learning AI, supporting object line crossing detection, intrusion detection, area entry and exit monitoring. Once a threat is detected, it triggers real-time alerts, allowing immediate action. Whether in factories, commercial spaces, or school campuses, this AI-driven technology automates security and stops unauthorized access before it happens. Full-color vision plus active deterrence, stop intrusions before they happen. Ordinary cameras only record, but they can't stop crime. A372 and A372PX is different. It features a 30mm white LED spotlight for full-color vision at night and pre-recorded audio alarms to actively warn intruders in real time. For factories, commercial properties, and schools, this means a 70% reduction in unauthorized intrusions, significantly lowering security risks and protecting valuable assets. Most security cameras struggle in low-light environments, producing blurry footage. A372 and A372PX overcomes this with a 4MP resolution, 30 frames per second frame rate, and an industry-leading 0.0005 lux ultra-low light sensor. Even in complete darkness, it captures clear black and white images. Whether monitoring factory floors, commercial parking areas, or school hallways, every detail remains visible, ensuring maximum security. You might be wondering, how does this compare to Axis? The answer, better performance at a fraction of the cost. A372 and A372PX delivers advanced AI deep learning and thermal imaging technology while costing 30 to 50% less than Axis. Why pay more when you can get superior protection for less? This isn't just a surveillance camera, it's a cost-effective, high-performance security investment for any factory, business, or school. Now is the time to upgrade your security. A372 and A372PX AI-4MP thermal and optical bispectrum camera offers the most effective, cost-saving, and intelligent security solution on the market. Click the link below to learn more, and start protecting your factory, commercial building, or school with next-generation AI surveillance. Don't wait, this might be the smartest investment you make this year.